What's going on, everybody? Justin here with Alpha Wash, and I want to show you our first pressure washing rig. So this is going to be our backup rig for this coming year of 2022. So we recently repainted the trailer, sanded it down, and we actually moved the axle backwards on it. The axle was a little too far forward, and it would make the trailer kind of sway when it was going around. And so yeah, and we also resanded all the boards and put a sealer on them, and it's all different equipment on there than what we had on there in the past. So we're actually still in the process of building it. We hadn't finished building it yet, so I'm gonna fill y'all in on everything that we plan to do to the trailer. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, so on the front right here, we got two 5-gallon per minute machines. These are the Predator engines from Harbor Freight. They both got the electric start on them. They're both direct drive, as you can see there. And then we've got a 65-gallon bleach tank here. 100-gallon buffer tank. Two, I believe those are 150 feet general pump hose reels. Got to finish getting that one filled up with some hose. We got two surface cleaners on here, one 20-inch and one that's a 16-inch. That's a general pump, I believe. Then on the back here, we got our feed line going to our water tank. That's 3/4-inch Flexzilla, and that's a general pump hose reel. I believe that's a 200-foot or 250-foot, something like that, hose reel. And then this is our soft wash line. We got 250 feet of the 5/8 Flexzilla. And we still got to put a ball valve on the end of it. But yeah, here's this side. So that's basically what we got going on right now. So, alright. So on the front right here, we're gonna put a toolbox right there. And it's a pretty, it's not very wide. It doesn't go all the way across. It's gonna go across this bar on this side to the bar in the middle. And then we're gonna mount air compressor right here. And I'll show you all the air compressor is sitting right here on the floor. But so that air compressor is for our soft wash system, and we're probably gonna mount our soft wash pump. Probably gonna put like a little plate right here for it to set on and bolt to, and we're gonna mount our proportioner on the side of the trailer. So we're gonna need a battery in the center right here for these two electric start engines, and we're gonna need a downstream injector for both pumps, because we're going to want to be able to downstream wash houses. Let's see, we're going to need a float valve in the water tank so our water doesn't overflow. Let's keep going and see what else we need. So we're going to need to finish filling this one up with some high pressure hose, and we're going to need to put a ball valve on that. Already got a ball valve on this one, looking pretty good. So we're gonna need to put a soft wash ball valve on the end of the soft wash hose. And I believe we gotta get the trailer lights working and get a little bit of Alpha Wash branding maybe on the sides of those tanks or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple little rig. One thing that I do remember that I didn't mention is we're gonna build a little ladder rack on the side, maybe to hold like a 20-foot extension ladder. But that's basically it. It's going to be a nice, simple, cost-effective rig to have. Hopefully going to run both of our rigs in March, April, and May of 2022. So we're going to see how it goes.